Hi everyone, just doing my reflection again this week. This week was the Google activities, do Google training. Um, I thought Google training was kind of neat. I thought it would actually gave me a lot better insight of what some of the things are on Google and how to use Google Doc. Um, I'm not a big fan of it. I've never really been a big fan of it, but I know it's what we're moving towards in the future. Um, but I did learn a little bit more, so maybe I might be able to get more comfortable with it here in the future. I know in the high school in our district here that they use Google Doc for everything. Um, Teachers now share with students share with teachers, back and forth that way. That way you can just hand stuff in, don't have paper anymore. Which I don't know. I'm kind of old school, I guess you'd say. I like having pen and paper. I like seeing things. I like doing, interacting face to face. Give them something, do this type of deal, give it back. I know that's a lot more responsibility. You might lose it, whatever, but that's what I like to do. Um, I'll probably have to do the training at some point. I don't really want to, but I think I'll have to. But it is what it is. So I guess that's what my answer is. I'll probably have to. I don't really want to, but I will. Um, Working with the Google Slides was kind of neat. That's what I did. I did a presentation. Um, it's to me, it's kind of similar to PowerPoint, just the way you work with them. It wasn't very difficult at all, but hopefully the rest of you guys had a pretty easy deal to work with. But other than that, I thought this whole section was pretty simple. It's really short, which I liked. The videos were kind of neat. The answers and questions, everything, the little quizzes were neat too. So hopefully everyone else had a good time with it, and hopefully everyone else had a good week.